Good morning, Sister Carolina, teacher Sabrina, and friends. Hello, my name is Raina. Now I will present my project about is my favorite fruits. This is the father likes papaya. This is my mother likes grapes. This is me likes orange. Thank you.